In the heart of the bright green jungle lived a happy monkey named Miko. Miko had long arms for swinging and a very big appetite for snacks. His favorite food in the whole world was sweet, yellow bananas. He could eat them for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. One morning, Miko looked across the wide, sparkling river. On the other side, he saw a tree heavy, with the biggest bananas he had ever seen. "Oh, how I wish I could get over there," Miko sighed. Just then, a crocodile named Koda drifted toward the shore. Koda had a very wide, toothy grin. "Hello, Miko," Koda said with a deep voice. "Those bananas across the river look delicious, don't they? If you like, you can sit on my back, and I will carry you across the water so you can eat them all." Miko was very hungry, so he decided to trust the crocodile. "That is very kind of you, Koda," Miko shouted. He took a brave hop and landed right on Koda's bumpy emerald green back. With a splash of his tail, Koda began to swim away from the shore. When they reached the very deepest part of the river, Koda stopped swimming. He let out a low growl that made the water shake. "Miko," Koda hissed, "I don't care about bananas. I am very hungry, and I am going to eat your heart for my lunch." Miko's heart went thump, thump, thump against his ribs. He knew he was in big trouble. But Miko was a very clever monkey. He took a deep breath, closed his eyes for a second, and came up with a very sneaky plan to save himself. "Oh, Koda," Miko cried out loud. "I wish you had told me sooner. You see, I don't keep my heart inside my chest. It is so precious that I leave it hanging on the highest branch of my favorite tree back on the shore. We must go back and get it." Koda was a greedy crocodile, and he didn't want a lunch without a heart. "Fine," Koda grumbled. "Hold on tight." He turned his long body around and swam as fast as he could back toward the jungle bank where Miko lived. As soon as Koda's nose touched the muddy bank, Miko didn't wait a second. He gave the biggest leap of his life. He soared through the air and grabbed a low-hanging vine, swinging himself high up into the safety of the tall trees. From the safety of a high branch, Miko laughed and laughed. "Silly Koda, nobody keeps their heart on a tree. My heart is safe inside me, and my brain is even safer." Koda felt very ashamed. He splashed his tail and swam away into the deep water, knowing he could never fool Miko again.